Whether the Ram temple is back on the poll agenda for the BJP or not, that speculation has grown after Modi aide and the man in charge of UP, Amit Shah, said just days earlier that he was praying for a Ram temple at Ayodhya. Party President Rajnath Singh has downplayed that, telling NDTV today that it's not an election issue at all. But is the BJP trying to do a balancing act between Hindutva and development?
हम सब मिलकर जल्दी से जल्दी यहाँ भव्य राम मंदिर का निर्माण करें और रामलल्ला को अपने उचित स्थान पर विराजित करें।
कोई भी हिंदू यदि किसी मंदिर में पूजा करने के लिए जाएगा, स्वाभाविक रूप से उसकी इच्छा होगी कि हमारे आराध्य देव जहां ही पैदा हुए हैं वहां पर एक भव्य मंदिर होना चाहिए। तो यह इच्छा व्यक्त करना, यह विश करना, यह कोई अपराध तो नहीं है।
पर ये 2014 या 13 का इलेक्शन इशू नहीं है।
इलेक्शन इशू हम लोगों के लिए कभी नहीं था, ये नेशनल इशू है।
Critics may call it confusion, but the BJP has done its calculation. The Narendra Modi versus the others tussle in the BJP is over. The party is now busy rallying cadres and energies behind him. And in turn, Modi is changing. In Madhopur recently, the once strident Hindutva poster boy did not mention the BJP's pet issue, Article 370. Instead, he invoked Vajpayee.
अगर 2004 में फिर एक बार वाजपेयी जी की सरकार बनी होती तो कश्मीर के घाव भरने में सफलता मिली होती।
There are more changes. Modi recently turned down an invitation to Ayodhya. He is meeting party workers across the country. And now, along with Rajnath, he will pick the campaign committees. But is Hindutva out of the BJP's campaign? The answer is no. In January, the BJP promised to back the Sangh's Hindutva agenda. In February, at Kumbh, Rajnath Singh backed VHP's Dharma Sansad on the Ram Mandir issue. And Sangh cadres will visit 3 lakh villages with the Mandir message. Sangh affiliates will keep Hindutva alive for Modi. The Amit Shahs will visit Ayodhya and keep stoking the fires.
To appeal to a wider cross-section of voters, Narendra Modi is trying for an inclusive appeal. But the BJP also wants him to polarize the majority votes. That is why Narendra Modi is visibly refusing to hitch a ride on the Hindutva bandwagon. But Hindutva is still part of the strategy. It's a delicate balancing act for the ballot between development and dharma. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastav for NDTV.
So is the Ram temple still on the BJP's agenda? Joining us in this segment, we have the editor of Nayi Duniya, Shahid Siddiqui, joining us. Ashok Malik, well-known commentator and journalist, joins us here in the studio. Let me ask Shahid Siddiqui first. Shahid Siddiqui, if you look at what Amit Shah said, he said it in Ayodhya. He said he was praying for a Ram temple. Now, are we reading too much into what he said, or is it significant because he's Amit Shah and he's close to Mr. Narendra Modi?
No, you're not reading too much because BJP is trying to juggle all the balls they have in their pocket, and they cannot give up Hindutva issue. But unfortunately for them in Uttar Pradesh, this is not an issue at all. People like Amit Shah do not understand Uttar Pradesh. They are totally cut off from the realities of Uttar Pradesh. It is not 2002, this is 2013, and today people of Uttar Pradesh or even people of India are more interested in development and growth. And we must never forget what happened in Bodh Gaya. It is happening, all this is happening, and we are surrounded by very unstable polities and states. And in this kind of situation, if you try to bring in a very volatile issue like Ayodhya and try to play on it, you will be doing disservice to growth of India, to the economy of India, and to India's position and situation globally. And we will be giving a handle to the terrorists to go at us.
So you think it's a deliberate strategy to try and juggle all these balls, as you said, together? You think it's being deliberately done? Modi tries to project one face of development and then others try to project this hard Hindutva line?
Yes.
Okay, you're saying it's that.
Because that has been their strategy all along for last 60 years. This was the strategy between Vajpayee ji and Advani ji. This is a strategy now. But the same strategy doesn't work all the time. If you want to play the same game with the same strategy, then ultimately you are going to lose. And I feel that BJP is not understanding, and both these Gujaratis are not understanding that North India politics is very complex, very different, and it's not the kind of politics they have done in Gujarat. Here this kind of terror and this kind of Hindutva will not work. It is a caste-based society.